Derek with the Eliminex. We're here in Linden, New Jersey. See this gutter. It's all rotted. And there's a squirrel. He's looking at me. Check him out. I was trying to catch him yesterday looking at me. There he is. Hello, buddy. We're going to take a few pictures to see all this rot that we need to fix. But first, need to humanely remove these squirrels. I'm just here on the on a quote. Saw this creature. I'm going to name him later. Find out who he is first, and then I'll give him a name. And then we'll have him adopt a tree in the nearest wildlife preserve and get this place patched up. That's if they hire us. You see this gutter is all coming off. They're gonna hire a gutter guy just to put the gutter back on, but there's no wood behind it. So he said he was gonna suspend it on clips. I'm like, what's the point? I'm gonna spend $300 to put some clips on the gutter just to catch maybe 80% of the water. The rest of the water is just gonna go behind the gutters. We'll get this patched up right after. We're gonna have to take the gutters apart, replace the wood behind it, and then attach them to the fascia. All right, he's not moving. He's gonna go back inside though. Let me see if I can find him again. There he is. Hello, buddy. I'm coming up.